Technology has revolutionized how businesses operate, making processes faster, smarter, and more accurate. Imagine managing a logistics company where, instead of manually tracking shipments, your system uses artificial intelligence, AI, to predict delays, machine learning, ML, to optimize routes, and robotic process automation, RPA, to update customers in real time. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of automation technologies in action. These tools form the foundation of modern automation, helping businesses boost efficiency, reduce errors, and scale operations effortlessly. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify the key technologies that drive automation, learn how artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotic process automation function, explore real-world use cases across various industries. Key technologies driving automation. Automation relies on advanced technologies to reduce human intervention while increasing precision. 3 foundational pillars include artificial intelligence, AI. AI mimics human intelligence to perform tasks such as reasoning, problem-solving, and learning. Tools like chatbots, natural language processing, and computer vision are examples of AI transforming business processes. For example, a retail platform uses AI to recommend products to customers based on their browsing history and purchase patterns. This not only boosts sales, but also enhances the customer experience. Machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI where systems learn from data to improve their performance over time without explicit programming. It's widely used in predictive analytics, fraud detection, and personalized marketing. For example, streaming services like Netflix analyze viewing habits through ML to recommend shows and movies tailored to individual preferences. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotics Process Automation, RPA, involves the use of bots to automate repetitive tasks like data entry, invoice processing, or customer onboarding. RPA works with existing software to streamline workflows. For example, a bank uses robotic process automation to process loan applications, reducing turnaround time from days to minutes while minimizing errors. Real-world applications across industries. Healthcare. Automation technologies assist in scheduling appointments, analyzing medical data, and improving diagnostic accuracy. AI-powered tools can scan X-rays faster than humans while maintaining precision. Finance. In the finance sector, AI and RPA are deployed for fraud detection, automated reporting, and personalized investment advice. Retail. Retailers use machine learning for dynamic pricing strategies, inventory management, and customer segmentation. Manufacturing. Manufacturers leverage robotics and AI to optimize production lines, conduct quality inspections, and minimize waste. The benefits of automation technologies. Speed and accuracy. Artificial intelligence and robotic process automation complete tasks faster than humans while maintaining consistency. For instance, AI can instantly process millions of data points for real-time insights. Scalability. With automation, businesses can handle larger workloads without proportional cost increases. Cost reduction. Automation minimizes operational expenses by eliminating repetitive manual labor. Enhanced customer experiences. From personalized recommendations to faster issue resolution, automation elevates customer satisfaction. Story: the factory that never slept. Meet John, a factory manager overwhelmed by missed production deadlines. His team was efficient, but human limitations led to delays during shift changes. John's company introduced robotic arms powered by AI. These machines operated continuously, identifying production errors before they escalated. Output increased by 50%, and customer complaints dropped significantly. Moral of the story: automation doesn't replace human talent, it enhances it, allowing people to focus on creative and strategic tasks.